Hi, it's Brittany with Lectin Free Kitchen, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about bone health. This is something that I think may be a little overlooked with the plant paradox community and really just the health community in general, but bone health is so important, especially as you age. I know that the elderly community, they do struggle with really bad statistics when it comes to falling and breaking a hip or breaking a bone, and the recovery rate when it comes to all of that. It's actually something super near and dear to me and my family. They're physical therapy owners and physicians, so that's something that they focus on all the time is balance to prevent falls, because bones break easily, and if that happens when you're older, it can be a very dangerous thing. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about how we can strengthen those bones and why that's important and what you can do in order to have a healthier bone and body. Bones are what our body are made of. It's what holds everything together, which is why it's super important to take care of them. And there are a few different ways you can do that. One of the most important is by making sure you're getting enough calcium. That is super important because that is what is going to help keep your bones nice and strong. And I think that we've all grown up knowing that if you drink milk, that's how you can keep your bones nice and strong. But milk is not necessarily approved on the plant paradox diet. So there are a lot of other really healthy ways to get in that calcium. Another great way is vitamin D3, and the best way to do that is to spend more time outside soaking up that sunshine. That is super relevant for today. It's really important to be outside and getting that vitamin D, but that's also going to keep you nice and healthy and active, which is really good long term for you anyway, so definitely get outside and soak up that vitamin D. Another really good thing for your bones is going to be vitamin K, and that is essential to help your body process the calcium. There are a lot of other vegetables and foods in Plant Paradox that are already full of vitamin K, such as your greens and egg yolks and cruciferous vegetables. Those are really great sources of vitamin K, so certainly make sure that you're incorporating those into your diet every single day. Another great way to take good care of your bones is by doing weight-bearing or resistance-based exercise. That includes little things maybe with the weights, whether it's you're watching TV and you just have a 4 or 5 pound or even 2 pound weight, just do some small exercises. I know that you can also incorporate that into what you're doing every day anyways, whether that's gardening, going to the grocery store and lifting your bags, maybe it's lifting up your kids and carrying them around, or doing that with your laundry basket. Those are great ways to just bring in those little muscle exercises that are super important. And then again, just make sure that you're really boosting your diet with all of those really healthy vegetables. That's where you're going to get all of the vitamins and minerals that you need, particularly like magnesium. That's also super important for your bone health. Avocados are great with magnesium, also dark chocolate, which we all love, so definitely indulge yourself occasionally in that dark chocolate. But really important to make sure you're taking care of your whole body, both your mind, body, and spirit, but also your bones. That way we can live long and healthy lives, and really make sure that in the end, when maybe you are elderly or maybe you already are, you're strengthening those bones so that if you fall or whatever it is maybe, you have a really great chance of recovering and having a long and healthy life.